Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can balance the audio volume in CapCut. So in here, I already add 3 videos in my CapCut, and each video of course have a different volume, like the audio is not balanced yet. So if you want to balance the volume of the audio, what you need to do is just click on one of the video and find the volume option, and in here just click on this loudness adjustment option. So by clicking on that, you can automatically adjust the loudness according to the loudness of the current clip to sound the same. So I'm going to click on try it now. Just click on the loudness adjustment button, and now all the clips are at the same loudness. So the audio is balanced now. Click on the check icon, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.